Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna quickly walk you through that how you can add music on your Facebook profile in step-by-step process. For this one, you have to go to on Facebook, then you have to go to on your Facebook profile, then click on this three icon bar, then click on the search profile button. Here you can see there is a new button that called music. Facebook added this on this new update, so you can add music on your Facebook profile. You have to click on it. Then you can see a plus icon button here. You have to click on it. After that, you can search your music for whatever music you want to do on your Facebook profile you want to add. So I am searching Industry Baby. So you can see here is my song. So whatever I want to do add on my Facebook profile, you have to click on it, and after some time the song will be added on your Facebook profile. Then you have to go on back, then click on this music button. You can see this music is added on my Facebook profile, so whoever is added on my Facebook, my friends, can see or listen this music. I hope you find this video helpful, so leave a like and please subscribe this channel. Peace.